Are you looking for the best tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OnePlus Pad 3 Tablet. OnePlus hasn't been in the tablet game long, but its Android-powered slates have easily become my favorites thanks to an excellent balance of features to price. Now in its third generation, the OnePlus Pad 3, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, once again creeps up in price, but this is still a heck of a powerful tablet for the money, and I'd still buy it over a similarly priced Samsung tablet. That's largely due to OnePlus software. Its open canvas system lets you multitask with 3 apps simultaneously at ease, aided by the larger 13.2-inch screen. Even if you're not using it for work, the speakers sound great, the LCD is sharp and smooth, and it barely saps up juice in standby mode, all of which makes it great for entertainment, too. Driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite inside, performance is fantastic, and it's one of the only tablets with a flagship processor at the moment. But at this price, I'd have liked to see a fingerprint sensor, and maybe even a cellular connectivity option. OnePlus also doesn't quite match Samsung in software updates, though it did improve slightly. You also have to factor in the cost of the accessories, though it's nice that OnePlus routinely has sale events where you can nab them for free. Even with its foibles, this is the Android tablet I'd buy. Number 2. Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet. Amazon's Fire tablets aren't for everyone. They really push Amazon Prime services and apps, but they're great for leisurely tasks, like playing games and watching movies. There's no Google Play Store, though there's a workaround, and not every Android app is readily available. Still, for under $200, they're hard to beat. I used to recommend the Fire HD10 here, but the Fire Max 11 is now often on sale enough and so similarly priced that it's worth springing for. Avoid the $280 MSRP. During normal sale events, it dips to $175, and during major events like Black Friday or Prime Day, it goes down to $140. It has a nicer build quality than other Fire tabs, metal and not plastic, a higher resolution and bigger screen, a fingerprint sensor, plus enough power for most tasks, even light work if you pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard. I don't recommend Amazon's productivity bundle, as you can get nicer peripherals for the same amount of cash. There's a USB-C port so you can charge it with the same cable as your laptop or phone, and it has hands-free Alexa support, meaning it can double as an Echo Show. Remember, Amazon steeply discounts its Fire tablets on Prime Day, Black Friday, and for shopping holidays like back-to-school season, so avoid paying full price. Number 3. Google Pixel Tablet. Google's first Android tablet in years nails exactly the caliber of what Android tablets should have been all along. Not all apps are optimized for the larger screen, but Google's gotten clever in how it handles those apps while also getting developers to update their products for the bigger display. If you're a smart home person, especially someone who uses Google Assistant, this is the tablet for you, since it comes with a charging speaker dock that doubles as a smart display. You can use the tablet as you would one of Google's smart displays, like the Google Nest Hub. You can talk to and interact with the tablet via Google Assistant to control your smart home devices, play music, and watch videos on YouTube or a supported streaming service, Net's Jason Cipriani wrote in his review of the Google Pixel tablet. It's also a great tablet for those looking for a long-lasting battery life. When it's not in use and is on the dock, it's constantly charged and ready for use. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro Tablet. Microsoft's 11th generation Surface Pro earns the top spot as the best Windows tablet. The tech giant introduced several upgrades to this model, the most notable being Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Plus or X Elite chipset. The hardware delivers solid performance, allowing the device to handle multiple apps and tasks without noticeable slowdowns. Additionally, the Surface Pro features a PixelSense OLED touchscreen that delivers high-resolution images. Advanced color-enhancing software, such as adaptive contrast, further enhances the quality. ZNet writer Cesar Cadenas said that this Surface Pro is for professional artists who want a high-performance machine with a brilliant display. The Surface Pro houses Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X Elite, which, if the hype is to be believed, makes this laptop a MacBook killer, he wrote in his review. Browsers ran smoothly, even with multiple videos playing and a lot of open tabs. First-party software and some third-party apps also did pretty well. The additional accessories like the keyboard and pen make it even more enticing of a tablet that can double as a computer. Cadenas particularly called out the Surface Slim Pen and its accuracy and precision in both writing and illustration. Number 5. Fusion 5 10.1-inch Windows 11 Professional Tablet. Immerse yourself in the ultimate user experience with the newest Windows 11 Professional Tablet from Fusion 5. This Windows tablet PC is fully loaded with the latest user-friendly Windows 11 Professional package, making it perfect for education, office work, or industrial use. The 10-inch screen of this tablet Windows is great for watching movies, surfing the web, working, and studying, while the smooth screen surface ensures a luxurious user experience. Equipped with an upgraded quad-core CPU and powerful GPU, this Windows 11 tablet is ready for work, fun, and play. Your Windows tablet laptop PC offers ample storage and powerful performance, ensuring a seamless experience for all your needs. The 10-inch screen on this Windows 11 tablet PC is perfect for viewing your favorite TV shows, movies, YouTube, and playing games. This tablet computer provides an immersive viewing experience with stunning graphics, making it an ideal choice among computer tablets.